Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no.
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her when she gone low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she gone low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a loop now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video I'm going to be installing some clippings from CurlsCurls, and I already showed you guys in the beginning of this video how the hair looked like, the unboxing of this video. So this is what it looks like after washing it. The hair is super soft, although it did shed a lot when I was washing the hair, but to be honest with you, this hair is super soft. So this one is a new collection that they just came out with. So this collection is a mixed collection for people that have like mixed textured hair. My hair is not mixed textured, but I decided to go for this one just to show you guys what it looks like. So I already washed my hair about an hour ago, and I'll just jump right into installing this hair. I'll be using this 100% organic argan oil from my collection. It's available on my website if you guys are interested. I'll be using it to moisturize my scalp. I'm very generous with this oil because I love how it makes my hair feel, moisturizes my hair, and it also helps me to grow my hair really fast.
Original bad man, his body baby,
It's CurlsCurls.
standard, catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose.
I'll be using this leave-in conditioner from Novex, and this one is Coils Memorizer. I love it. It's so soft and slippery, which is amazing for my hair texture.
Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If they play my music.
So this is a 10-piece clippings, which should be enough for full head. So I'm also going to moisturize the clippings before installing them. That way it will be easier for me. So I'm just going to spray some water. Like I said, I already washed them. It's just to moisturize the hair. So I'll be using the same leave-in conditioner that I used for my hair on the clippings.
Crazy. I want them, you won't bore me. For my city, for my hood, them no. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. Pon me radio. Every day they play me pon me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see.
So this is what the hair looks like after applying the moisturizer and using a derma brush to detangle it. So this is all the hair that I have.
They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hear me when you see me now. They want to know. Tobari me in the street to myself, only make them. They got to go. Tobari me in the bed, I'ma calm down. I'm more, yeah.
Kills.
Standard.
Dun dada, fire can't cool me up on fire.
Original Batman.
It's V-Kills.
Standard.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl, I come in on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man, I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man, I they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, I they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel.
Dun dada, fire can't cool me up on fire.
Original Batman.
Nobody says we are on dire.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl, system warning.
Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I mean a bad man, they want to say. I mean a bad man, they want to feel.
Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, I they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel.
Dun dada, fire can't cool me up on fire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody says we are on dire.
It's V-Kills.
Original Batman.
Standard.
Original Batman, you done know.
It's V-Kills.
Standard.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them a random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that she jeje. No, they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. One boy need your money, yo. Need your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. I know that you're feeling me, oh, and I be feeling you, oh. Baby, make you ginger me, eh, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, oh, and I be feeling you, oh. Original Batman, oh. John Tricks on the beat.
It's VQs.
Original Batman, oh. Lega. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say they girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try pull me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I tell them, bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low. I tell them, come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. Certain them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright. Say things them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright. Let go. You don't know, bad man. Yeah. His body baby, oh. His body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the base, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in at the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm free. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm free.
So guys, I'm off to do my makeup and I'll be back to show you guys the final results once this hair dries down. So guys, this is what the hair looks like after allowing it to dry down a little bit, and it blended well with my hair texture, even though my hair is still showing a little bit. This part of my hair is still showing. So this is a mixed texture coily clippings. The textures of the curly hair are not the same, they are mixed. That way it matches perfectly well with almost every curly hair, and the length that I'm wearing is 18 inches. So CurlsCurls is a direct factory. That is one of the reasons why their hair is affordable. So that's basically it for this video, and like I said before, this hair is from CurlsCurls, and I'm going to leave every details of this hair in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And also please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
It's VQs.
original. Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman, me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one.